Okay, path animation. First we need a path or a curve. Shift A curve, and then just wiggle it a little bit. And next I'm going to use an empty. So go all the way, Shift A, down, and plane axes. Alright, so with this one, you can go down to this little constraints tab over here, and then add object constraint, and we're looking for follow path. Okay, so then from here you need to choose a target, which I'm going to use the eyedropper and just pick the curve. Okay, so it did something, it jumped, and you can control the position with this offset. You might have to go negative to see it working. And alright, it's working, but it's also pretty far off the curve. So you have to grab this empty and go up to the orange object tab here, and there's this location for the empty. So if I go back to the constraint, I can uncheck the eyeball, go back to the empty, and just go type in 0, 0, 0. And now I'm back at 0 of the world, and it just needs that for the follow path for some reason. So now it's snapping there. And okay, so this should follow, but you can also tell it to follow the curve, which will also take the direction into consideration. And then whatever you need, you can, let's say we have a monkey or something, we can grab this one and then shift click the other one, Control C, and copy location to stick it there, and then Control C again, copy rotation, and that'll stick it there. And then once you have that, you can go Control Space and set parent, which will parent the monkey to the empty. And then now when you animate this curve, the monkey should follow. And yeah, and again, you can just right click on the offset and insert keyframe to stick a little keyframe there to animate that curve. And you can also change the directions here if you need to do that. Oops. Okay, good luck.